It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking for...
Hi, I'm Kristen Willoughby with Tiller Hewitt Healthcare Strategies, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about how to respond to a shift in referrals from one of your providers. So when you get your monthly data and you see there's been a downward shift in one of the service lines for one of your providers, what do you do with that information? So my first suggestion would be to go to the department where that shift has occurred. So for example, if it happened at your outpatient imaging center, go there, talk to the staff members, talk to the CT, MRI techs, ask them if there's been any issues with that provider's patients or maybe their office staff. Next, I would call on that provider and maybe even bring one of those techs with you so that they can talk about how much they value the patients that that provider sends to your imaging center. And of course, always ask, what can we do better to help serve you, your staff, and your patients? That's something that's important whether there's been an upward shift or a downward shift, is what can we do better to make sure that we are the path of least resistance for the provider, the staff, and their patients. If you have any other questions, give us a call at Tiller Hewitt or visit our website at tillerhewitt.com.
Friday, gotta get down on Friday.